What's up, crypto community? In this video, I want to share an article with you all, so let's go right ahead and jump into it here. You will love Ripple XRP more after diving deep into Bitcoin history. So let's go right ahead and take a read through this, and then I'll kind of share my thoughts on it as we go along. Back in the days when cryptocurrency was still new into the world, it still smells young. Lots of headlines in the news were about Bitcoin and its price activities. Most investors at that time who took the opportunity to trade on Bitcoin enjoyed a massive success financially. Back then, altcoins such as Ripple's XRP weren't that much, as they were just a handful of them. Now we have more than 1,500. Taking a look at the history of Bitcoin, you will love to appreciate how far Ripple XRP has come so far in the crypto market. So let's take a detailed look at the history of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's history in brief. The mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin on the 3rd of January 2009. Although the BTC founder is still unknown today, it has been estimated that he owned 980k BTCs when the cryptocurrency was created. Taking the estimated number of Bitcoins he'd have in mind, Satoshi's net worth could be $7.5 to $8 billion. Moving forward, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that makes use of a large amount of electricity before it can be mined. That's something I really like about XRP. If you haven't seen my one of my previous videos, it talks a little bit about XRP and how energy efficient it is. It's absolutely one of the most energy efficient cryptocurrencies out there, and considering how significant of an issue climate change is, I think it's very important to invest in technologies that are energy efficient, and XRP is exactly that. So let's continue here. Also, Satoshi's crypto protocol only permits 21 million BTC to be mined, the maximum amount that will get mined forever, and that's why many people believe Bitcoin is still going to be a really good investment, because it might serve as a store of value. And I do think Bitcoin does have that potential of still seeing much higher values than it's at right now. So yeah. However, with XRP, what I see with XRP is I see utility, I see real world use, and that's what I think is really what separates XRP from the majority of cryptocurrencies and makes it, a standout asset, in my opinion. I should mention also that I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion, so you should not invest based off of what I say. Reports say that on the first amount of electricity used to generate Bitcoin, its worth was estimated to be around 0.0007 cents. The first Bitcoin exchange to fiat currency conversion took place in October 2009 by Marty Mamie. The following year, 2010, the first BTC exchange was created, and it was called Bitcoin Market. The price of one BTC was positioned at 0.003 cents at that time. Imagine buying Bitcoin then. That would be insane. In December 2011, Bitcoin started trading at $6.18 against US dollar. 2 years later, 2013, Bitcoin started growing in pace and was trading at $817.12 against US dollars. After several use cases of Bitcoin in the world, the value of Bitcoin surged, and it was trading at $429.78 against the US dollar on the 31st of December 2015. In July 2016, a document was issued stating that the use of BTC for legal transactions had surpassed the application for Sin Enterprise. Fast forward, in October 2018, an entertainment enterprise, Playboy TV, introduced BTC payments to its 100 million clients worldwide. More interestingly, it has been reported that in 10 years, about 80% of BTC has been mined, which implies about 16.8 million BTC ever since it was created. Remember, Ripple XRP needs not to be mined, unlike BTC and other digital currencies. That's one of the things that makes it super energy, efficient, is that it's not mined. So you don't need to use, huge computers to mine this stuff. But it has been estimated that it might take 100 more years for the remaining 20% of BTC to get mined. The reason is that the incentive miners get when they mine. BTC is halved in every 4 years. According to Bitcoin's history, it has enjoyed a gradual increase over the years. And I still do think Bitcoin will serve as a potential store of value, and also because, it's the first cryptocurrency. It put cryptocurrencies out there in the mainstream, and even now, cryptocurrencies aren't even close to being, as recognized and utilized as they're going to be. That's why I see so much potential within digital assets and with this stuff. Okay, why it all comes down to Ripple's XRP. No doubts, Ripple XRP will surely take its own path, but will grow just as Bitcoin did. Why? We hear you ask. Simply because it's like Bitcoin, Ripple XRP is solving real world problems and will have real life uses. That's something, I just mentioned, is the utility. It's XRP will serve as the liquidity provider for cross-border their remittance payments. So that's a real use case that saves time and it saves money. And XRP is far faster than Bitcoin and all the cryptocurrencies. It's one of the fastest ones out there. It's super cheap, and it's working with institutions. There's just so much lined up for this asset that I think it's really going to do extraordinary things in the future. It means that the current XRP investors right now would no doubt be millionaires in the future. Ripple's XRP is emerging as a top-notch cryptocurrency with utility, and we may see more adoption in the years to come. I definitely think XRP is going to make a lot of people very rich, but outside of that, it's making the world better. It's making it more efficient. It's allowing value to flow across the world within seconds, and that's where the revolution lies, in my opinion. XRP's price overview. After its remarkable surge a couple of days ago, in the last 24 hours, XRP has gone down by 3.08%. At the press time, XRP is trading at 51 cents. I think right now it's at about 49 cents. Yeah, 49 cents according to CoinMarketCap, with a market capitalization of $20 billion. Yesterday, an unusual transaction happened on Ripple Ledger as 40 million XRPs were transferred from one account to another. Even though the current XRP price is following the suit of market trend, almost all significant coins are trading in red again today. Yesterday's massive XRP transfer might have caused some panic for overcautious investors. Consequently, although Ripple's XRP is in red as we write this, but there are high chances it will move up again shortly. Hence, this is not the right time to sell, as we may see a further surge in the upcoming days. I think this is just the very beginning. If you're holding on to your cryptocurrencies, my personal strategy, my personal recommendation is to hold for the long term, especially if you're a retail investor who isn't, holding that much, like millions of XRP. You want to just hold this and allow the whales and the institutional money to make their moves and allow them to you just want to follow them, as a retail investor. I think the best strategy is to hold on for the years to come, because that's where the big profits will lie. I think if you hold on for years to come, then you do have the potential of making the quote unquote $1 million. There's a lot of in between from 0 to $1 million, but a lot of people want to become millionaires off this. I do think it's possible. I'm just going to hold for the long term. I think what the current price, XRP is at 49 cents, I think is really a steal, considering how usable XRP is in the real world. And that's what I think, again, separates it from the masses of cryptocurrencies, is its real world utility. I hope you all enjoyed this article. So much potential for XRP. I think XRP holders are going to be rewarded very, very handsomely in the future. It's just going to take time as blockchain and cryptocurrencies are slowly growing. They're becoming adopted. Cryptocurrency exchanges are popping up across the globe. The foundation for digital assets is being set, and the market cap, the total market capitalization is only $213 billion. There's so much money waiting to enter into this market. There's going to come a time when the market cap is in the trillions of dollars, and at that point, if you're a holder now today, at the point where it's in the trillions, you will have made lots of money. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.